Hello, children. This is the story of the TV repairman.
Now I know what you're thinking. Who the hell is this guy? And where are his nuts? Well, I'm the TV repair guy, and I don't have any nuts. My nuts were the only thing that I could never repair. My parents used to look at me and say, what a nice boy. Now they just look at me and puke. Right now, I'm in somebody's house. I'm fixing their TV. What was that sound? Kids? Kids! Kids! Are you in here? Kids! Hold on a minute, team. I think we've got some kids in here. Hold on a minute, team. The phone is ringing.
I just want my steak.
Well, those damn kids are distracting me from my job. I'm not gonna get paid. I need to put an end to these kids, or else I'll never repair this TV. Kids, kids, come out of your hiding spots. I have gifts for you.
Do you really have a present for me, TV repairman?
You bet I do. Come on down.
Oh boy, is that a pony?
Yup.
Ha ha wee! Ha ha! What are you doing?
I have you now, kids. Now that these kids are gone, work will be a breeze. And we'll even get paid.